Hello, I'm Ken. We are a manufacturer of start capacitors of China. Please allow me to our hard start kit to everybody. SPP motor torque multiplier is comprised of motor start capacitor and PTC thermistor or relay in series. Hard start kit has the characters, such as high reliability, long lifetime, and it can start compressor and heightened torque at low voltage. It applies to refrigeration compressors, heating pumps and often starting motors with frequency 50 Hz to 60 Hz, rated voltage 110 volt to 227 volt for starting function. Please call me at 008613957083636 or add my Skype, topocapacitor.com if you're interested in our capacitors. Thank you.